What do you think? Let's leave machine washable. Let's leave it on until we try them on to make sure they fit.
Another new shoes? Wow. What are those ones like?
I don't know. Those look big, but those are kind of meant for like fall. Another new shoes. These are probably going to be too big, sweetie. Those you'll be wearing a little later, but we can try it.
Which one should we try on? We'll just try it on right now. Okay, that slipped right off. Good.
After shoes.
Do the half target. The hill. Hill. But Daddy picture.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures. Do you like your new shoes? Karina, do you like your new shoes?
Still pretty good.
Oh, Mommy.
I just feel them to see how they fit.
Oh, Daddy picture.
We're just looking at you.
Those feel like they're good size. Where's the girl?
All right, you ready to get dancing?
No dancing. We want to see you dancing in your shoes.
Yeah, you got brand new shoes. Can you dance a little bit? See if they fit?
Dance.
Starting out slow.
Are they comfortable? They match your shirt perfectly, though. See? The same color of pink. You're jumping. So what do you think? Do they feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. They're good enough to keep? Your red shirt? You want to wear a different shirt? He doesn't look dirty at all. He must be kept clean today. Yeah, pretty nice. I think it doesn't fit?
Yeah.
Why don't they fit? No, those are going to be too big. These are you're going to wear a little later. Maybe later this summer.
Sheesh. Nothing but commercials on the radio right now.
They have flowers that are very nice. I like that. Here, stand up. Let's spin your toes. Yeah, too bad.
Not too big.
Not too big? Here, can I feel your toes? Okay. It looks big.
They can jump. How high can you jump in those shoes? Wow.
This is salad. It's not salad. I like a pony.
You got ponies.
Do the ponies go with your new shoes? Do you like your new shoes, Karina?
Yeah.
These don't seem like they're that big.
Should we keep them?
Yeah.
Are these comfortable? How do these feel? Are they comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay.
That fits.
Which
That
pair
fits.
is more comfortable?
Football.
Uh-oh. You don't want me to fix it?
No.
But your pony came out.
She took it out.
Oh.
It's hers.
It hurt?
Yeah.
There goes the other one. Well, did you like your new shoes, Karina?
I love new shoes.
You love new shoes?
Yeah.
No kidding. So does your mom.
It's true.